देखिए ये हमारा पॉडकास्ट हम जो रन करते हैं योगा चाय एंड अ डॉग, और हम लोग आज बैठे हैं मेंटल अवेयरनेस पे बात करने के लिए। तो ये हमारा पॉडकास्ट का सेटअप है। और जब मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ तो वीडियो मैं अपने स्टूडियो में बनाती हूँ। तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों का क्वेश्चन था कि आप पॉडकास्ट कैसे करते हैं। क्या तो मैं केवल बोलती हूँ, मैं अपना नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे लाती हूँ। टेक्निकल पार्ट जो पॉडकास्ट का है वो सारा दीपक देखते हैं, एंड दैट इज हाउ ही वर्क्स। एंड आई डोंट नो अबाउट साउंड, आई डोंट नो अबाउट हाउ टू एडिट इट, आई डोंट टेक इंटरेस्ट इन ऑल दोस बिकॉज हम लोग सब कुछ एक नहीं कर सकते हैं। सो आई जस्ट टेक इंटरेस्ट इन व्हाट आई से एंड व्हाट आई नो, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज हैंड ओवर टू दीपक। सो ये मेरा एक्चुअली ये डाइनिंग स्पेस है जिसपे ये छोटा सा डाइनिंग टेबल है जहां हम सुबह बैठ के खाते हैं। और तो इस डाइनिंग टेबल पे हम लोग किए, कभी कभी दीपक के ऑफिस में भी हम करते हैं पॉडकास्ट, तो कभी आप मौका लगेगा तो वो भी दिखाएंगे आपको। ये पे बोलेंगे कि हाउ डू वी नो दैट somebody has got a mental health
Yeah,
challenge?
how do we recognize that
How
somebody
do we
is suffering
recognize
from
it?
mental
Huh.
health? Yeah,
And what are the symptoms?
yeah.
And what are the reasons? ये आज के में करते हैं। और
So it has to happen over a couple of episodes, and
Huh.
I think this time we'll focus on how do you recognize that you have mental health, yeah, and what you should do about it.
नहीं, what you should नहीं, what are the reasons?
Okay, what are the reasons? Yeah, I think I agree. What are the reasons? And then we will follow this up by.
थोड़ा सा हिंट दे देंगे and then rest would be follow in the next episode. ठीक है?
Okay.
देखते हैं कितना देर चलता है ये।
Yeah.
हाँ? कितने देर का होता है? 30 minutes, 40 minutes?
Let's see. Why do we want to restrict it? So, how do you want to begin? I mean, would you like to start, or do you want me to start?
Yeah, you can begin with, because I can also begin that now when when
I will kind of explain the purpose, the topic.
हाँ, and कैसे आजकल ज्यादा हो गया है ये, and people are coming, and there are a lot of app and everything like that. So it has increased because of this lockdown also.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think we need to start from that. Remove that because it will. If you hit that, it will make a
नहीं
sound.
हिट करेगा वो,
Okay,
अभी
fine.
गलती से हो गया।
So, do you want to talk to the people on the camera and say what we are doing?
So कैमरा तो तुम्हारे तरफ है।
Yeah, it's focusing at you. I think. Right, sound check.
Hello, sound check, 1 2 3 4. Hello.
Okay, fine. Yes, it's fine. Hello. Yeah, sound check is fine. Okay. So, put this off. We put this off. Right. Okay. We are we are ready to roll. Okay. Okay. I'll just do the sound test once more. Hi, sound testing one. How's sound testing one? Sound testing 1 2 3. Say.
Sound testing 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3.
More.
Hello.
Sound testing 1 2 3. Sound testing 1 2 3. Right. I think it's good enough.
लाइट फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा था ऐसा।
But good. We have to be a bit careful because and this is because if you move, it creates a lot of sound. It is creating a lot of sound. Okay. What you are saying is that how so? Okay, I realize. Okay, I'm sitting on a cushion. Sorry. Whatever.
You are still on a cushion.
Still on
Okay,
a
that's
cushion.
good. That's
What do I do next?
This was just an example,
I
Deepak, to
know, but-
spend some time with yourself.
Yeah, so when I'm
Spend some
trying-
time with
and-
yourself
and I
without.
told you that spending time with myself without my phone, without my tab,
Will give
without
you
my
anxiety.
TV
Yeah.
gives me anxiety.
Yes.
And,
Yes.
and quite often when I'm doing nothing, I either I graze, I pick up a bag of crisps,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
do it,
Yeah.
I drink,
Yeah.
or I go out, or I watch TV,
Yeah.
some stupid program which I'm not even listening. But the
So-
fact
so
that
if-
so
if we-
now I want to
No.
shut all that.
I know. It is.
How do I go about it?
Yeah, it is a process, but the thing is, the first thing, self-care, where you can start feeding your body with the right type of food. You are taking time out. When you really think you are burned out from your work, you really think, okay, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes from my work, from out. I'm coming out from my office and I would just walk, or I would sip water or something. This all would start slowly in your routine. Once
Okay.
you start doing it, then you think, okay, I have heard a lot sitting doing nothing. So let me try 2 minutes. Can I sit 2 minutes without my mobile? Can I sit 5 minutes?
Yeah.
And there, don't try to force yourself. Your mind would again start going everywhere. But the thing is, if you start noticing, my mind is going towards that packet of crisps, my mind is going towards an old story, my mind is going towards my work. You notice that, you witness it, but don't try
And
to.
what do you do about it?
Yeah, don't try to align yourself with that emotions, because you are not emotion. You are just watching those things as a television thing, which is happening in front of you, but you are here and you think, oh wow, how can. It's like a monkey mind. This is called monkey mind. Or if you have a puppy at home, and how you train them. So you have to train them. Every day you have to train them. You can't just train one day and say, oh, it's done.
So what do you train your mind to do?
So that is what I'm saying. First thing, you witness that your mind is all
Yes.
over the place. Yeah.
Going all over,
So
yeah.
so this is the first step.
Yeah.
You have come to a step where you realize, oh, I can't sit 5 minutes. My
Yeah.
mind goes everywhere. Yeah. You witness that. Every day you come there and you just have to say things like, when your mind really keeps on one story, and then one story goes into another story, and then another person, then blame game, then this, you just say, stop there. That's not why. You just have to be very conscious that that's not what I want. So maybe your mind, so let the thought happen, let everything happen, but you just sit there. Every day when you would do this, slowly you would find, and I know it is very hard. Dalai Lama also said that, people say that, oh, do you meditate for an hour? He started laughing. He said, if I get 5 minutes on my own, that day I do meditation.
So let me share experience.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't remember where it happened or whatever, but then there was some meditation class or something which was happening, and I happened to be there. I normally don't, but I happened to be there. And the trainer or the teacher, whosoever was there, and this happened long back, but it's still etched in my memory. They said, how a simple way to meditate? Yeah, sit quietly, okay, and let your mind wander. Focus on the farthest sound that you are capturing. Okay,
That's another way of, yeah.
And the moment you say, okay, for instance, I'm sitting here in the kitchen recording the podcast, and the farthest sound that I'm hearing is the wind, blowing outside. Okay, then say, the moment you say, okay, I can't hear anything further than that, then say, okay, now let me decrease the
Then
circle.
you start decreasing the
and
dimension.
decreasing, and decreasing and decreasing.
There are plenty of ways,
Yes.
Deepak, to do this. That is why we can't cover everything.
Yeah.
And here if you have someone who can guide you in all this,
Yeah.
in my practices, when people come to me, I do different type of
So I can tell
meditation.
them how to actually meditate.
Yeah. So in the girl who came, recently when I worked with a girl, I found, when I talked to her, I found that goddess work would help her. Yeah. So, but
it is
this is
identifying the right tool which would work.
yeah. But the thing is, I'm not talking about any services now, because this is about self-care. So you you can just start this practice, but once you are into that, then you would start looking for help, more help. That okay, I enjoyed sitting on my own 10 minutes. Yeah, when you are there with your wife or your husband, your children, people would notice that 5-10 minutes, this is your time. You time out for yourself. So like it's a very good way of doing a self-care. Then we have talked about lot of things. One thing which is very, very important, we can only get all the self-care when we start noticing what is bringing us discomfort. So you have to write it down. What is making me, so again, the diary, maintaining a diary sometime, just to write that, okay, I felt this, I could not sleep and my thought went there. And honestly, I would say when I get really anxiety or feeling like something low, I just ask myself, is my life in danger? Which I have said before also. No. Will matter in 5 months time? No. Will this matter in 5 hours? Yes. Yeah. Will this matter in 5 days time? Yes. Will this matter in 10 years? No, not at all. Why would I worry? Why would I just keep on doing it? So these all are self-care tools, and you can take, some luxury thing is you can go out for massage, you can go out for a candlelight dinner, you can have a nice dress or something to wear, and those feel good factor, which is like
whatever makes you feel happy
in a way. You are rewarding yourself for, because everything is falling apart, but still if you are taking care of yourself as you would take care of if you have a children, you know that a mother or a father, they are falling apart, but still they take care of their children if they love their children. So same thing with you have to take care of yourself as a child within you. So how would you take care of that? And always use a good word. So that is also very good self-care practice, because when I feel very down, I write on my, and you all will laugh, I write on my diary every day. I write actually that, Ashna, you are awesome. You are such a beautiful soul. You are such a kind-hearted person. You are
that's in your morning pages that you write, right?
Yeah, every day I write. Every day I write these sentences, because this wires up in me, and this is how I want to be. Maybe I'm not there, but I want to be. And somebody is seeing me like that when I write. So it's an artist who write to me. So he or she can see me that I am this person who I think I am.
Artist,
yeah, you are not that artist.
No, just wanted to clarify to our listeners.
Yeah.